today we are Trophy Challenge Gaming, and today we have a challenge. So today the challenge is the featuring Rob Gaming.
Yay! You didn't see me. I'm invincible.
I died. I killed you. Actually, that's negative. So today, guys, the challenge is how well do you know your friend? Yes. So pick your partner.
So,
I think I'll pick this gun.
Well, you choose me.
Like
Like Austin.
You're not in here. Cause you're not
Like
in here.
Austin. He
You're
chooses
not in
me.
here.
For some reason. And
So, Charisse, your partner is Elliot. Okay. So, you guessed my... Okay. The first question is...
no, look into the camera.
Charisse, guess... Charisse. Elliot, you guessed Charisse favorite, okay? You guessed my... Okay, you guess it, okay?
What?
Guess my favorite color.
I don't know. Blue? Red? Yellow?
Yellow. Almost.
Blonde?
No.
Gold.
Almost. No.
Yellow?
No.
Light yellow?
It's near yellow.
Super light yellow.
No, it's a color of this.
Green?
Yes, you're right. Correct. So 1 point for us now. Guess the favorite color of Cherry. What? I mean, it's so obvious. Yes, it's like yes, favorite color.
Seems legit.
Actually, close the door.
Seems legit.
Seems legit. Seems legit.
What?
Wait, ask me a question. What?
Okay, what was my favorite toy ever? I don't know. I guess
you're playing it. Minecraft?
No, you're playing it 1 minute ago or something.
1 minute ago? I have no.
I mean, it's on your back, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you mean an iPad?
9.
I don't know.
7. 6.
Minecraft 5.
It's a toy, not a game. 3.
Oh, you mean Gunpla?
Yes!
2 seconds to spare. Oh,
Okay, now it's Charisse and Elliot.
PewDiePie.
My name is
PewDiePie.
What is Charisse's favorite toy?
Ah.
I don't know. I guess you don't know. You don't even have a toy. 10, 9, 8, 7, I totally don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's gibberish. No, it's gibberish.
Okay, so guys, that's the first challenge and this challenge. I don't hit them with what? No, this challenge is more hurted. Oh no,
When you're wrong,
you get hit by the book.
okay, I know. Let's do Would You Rather.
Okay, would you rather?
I'll do it.
Oh wait, let's go.
Would you rather?
Well, let's go. How well do you know yourself?
Oh.
Okay. How many blocks are your favorite?
How many blocks are
I mean, what is your first game ever?
Oh. What I have played in the
favorite
game. Oh, I think it's Angry Birds.
What?
Angry Birds is the box.
Okay, that's correct. I don't even know. Angry Birds is so...
No, it's just correct because I said it. It might be wrong.
Okay,
You.
so what's your favorite?
Everyone, even yourself.
Color. Color.
I really like blue.
What?
Black.
I hate blue.
I really like blue, so I really
No, that's wrong.
What? Why would you know someone's life?
I like blue because I look like so cool.
When nobody knows that TDM, he goes like this. I can't do it.
I think I can.
You look
look like a Hi, Dad. Hope you will watch
I hope you watch the video. Remember, I know where you play Happy Wheels. No, they might be.
I know.
Or maybe you can just play some rubbish. Oh wait, did I play some rubbish game? Did I just face reveal myself? But I think I didn't face reveal myself last video. Yes, you did. No, it's on Trophy Challenge Gaming, not yourself. Not me. The second video. You are Almera Colima. So, legit.
Almira Colima, Rufinino Colima.
No, I can stand.
Did anyone hear the fart? No.
Yes, I hear this.
No, I hear.
So I guess that's it today, guys. And today, I'm gonna destroy myself. 3, 2, 1.